Myself Gursharan Singh, and I'm representing my company here, Lark Engineering Company India Private Limited. We are a manufacturer company based in India, Haryana, and we are the manufacturer of feed plants. The plants that we use to make poultry, cattle feeds, goat feeds and pig feeds. And we have around 40 plus projects all around the Africa. And near to your country in Ghana, we have around 15 plus projects in Sierra Leone, then in East Africa, like Tanzania, Zambia, Uganda. And behind you can also see the reference we have shown for some of the plants that we have supplied in the Ghana. So we are doing a complete turnkey solution for the feed making industry, and we can provide a good quality, a long running durable plants for making the feeds. And whatever kind of feed, like you want to make layer mesh feed, layer crumbs feed, broiler pellet, crumblers, cattle feeds, goat feed, pig feeds, all kind of solution we can provide you. And other than the feed industry, we are also supplying the pre-mixers, like even the mixers for small plants for making their premixes ready for every batch. And also for the medicine industry, we are supplying the ribbon mixture, we are supplying the pedal shaft mixture. So you can contact us for any of your requirement, and we're going to give you our best solution for that. So our motto to participate in the NIPOLI EXPO was to explore this Nigeria market. This is a huge country and have a very high potential for growing the business. And likewise, we came here to get to know some of the farmers, some of the feed manufacturers who want to expand their existing units, or the farmers who want to have their own plants. So our main motto was to come here and get contact with the customers or some agents or some the local person who can help us to establish the business in your country, in Nigeria. I'm thankful for the organizers to arranging this exhibition and to bring all the farmers from the nearby to here, and we have met them and got some good inquiries from here, and I'm very thankful for the people here. So they are very nice and they are very hospitable. So thank you everyone, and we wish to have a good business in Nigeria.